Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at WTI oil as the market continued to collapse into $55. Now, we were actually looking for long positions if the market could sustain above this high back on the 13th of May. The market didn't do that. We were trying to see if it would break higher, and then it just fell apart, broke through that 60 barrier, and then again the market double topped, headed towards 55, that other key demand zone. Now, again, I was very wary about going short in here as well, just because this is a key weekly low and the market was pushing and heading towards these key highs, and I wasn't comfortable with looking for short positions there just yet, and we ended up double topping and the market fell through. So I missed out on my opportunity to get short oil as we were below $60 again. However, what's going to happen next? What can we do to analyze this market? So just looking at the weekly time frame, it's a very odd scenario what we've got on at the minute. By the way, this market condition is very weird in the fact that we've got the dollar falling, oil falling, gold rising, stock markets falling. Okay, so you don't usually get all those things together. Stock markets and oil falling is pretty common. They go together quite hand in hand. But to see the dollar falling at the same time is a little bit out of the ordinary. Typically, we'd see the dollar fall, which would affect oil prices potentially moving higher. Now, it could be being affected politically at the moment. Obviously, very risk-off sentiment in the market. And Trump, again, was tweeting last night about adding tariffs onto Mexico this time, and he's definitely disrupting this market and making these markets really sell off quite significantly. So he wanted oil lower anyway, so it's what we're going to do next. And to me, I just see further downside. Going to that monthly time frame now, when we were discussing the fact that it was a double top on the monthly, this bearish close for me suggests that we're going to see some further downside in oil, potentially back into 42.50. Now, just going to that 4-hour time frame, how can we trade this? Now, I'm talking about shorts, but there might be a potential to go long on this market. And just hear me out, because you might think I'm a little bit crazy. On a reversal, okay, so we're in this big $55 area, and if we look left, massive area that the market's tested before, and even punched back up various times back into this resistance of 57.20, and this is what I'm expecting out of this market. We've had a nice bearish move down, consolidation, correction, nice move down. I'm expecting correction, break, continuation, moves like so. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting to happen with WTI over the coming days and weeks. If we get below 55, then we've got some good downside to work with here, and I think we're going to go and see these big demand zones of 42.50 if we get below 55. Okay, just looking at that monthly time frame. Now, what I'm going to look for, there's some potential long opportunities here, but remember, this is counter trend. If you're not comfortable with counter trend, look for the pullback into 57.20s for that key short opportunity. Okay, this has been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. Thanks for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're watching on TradingView, please follow, comment below. How do you see oil prices playing out over the next month or so? Thanks for watching.